Starting college is exciting, but it's completely normal to feel a bit nervous too. Don't worry, we're here to help. This short guide will show you exactly what to expect on your enrolment day at Brooklands Technical College. You should have received an email confirming your enrolment date and time. Between 12 PM and 2 PM, we welcome our neurodivergent learners to attend a quieter time. To help enrolment run smoothly, please attend on your allocated date and time. If you're unable to attend, simply visit the enrolment page on our website for alternative dates, or speak to our admissions team who will be happy to help.
On the day, please ensure to bring the following with you: your original exam results, proof of ID such as passport, driving licence or birth certificate, your national insurance number and, if required, any exam access arrangement documentation.
When you arrive on campus, don't worry if you're not sure where to go. Our staff will be there to help. Parking on campus is limited, so we recommend using public transport where possible. We're just a 5-minute walk from Weybridge Station. Once you arrive, make your way to the welcome desk outside of reception, where your enrolment journey begins. Your first stop is the welcome desk outside of our reception. Here you'll receive important information about college life and your enrolment guide, which will help you through the rest of your day. Next, you'll visit Barnes Wallis. This is where we'll check your exam results, confirm your course choice, and make sure you meet any entry requirements. If needed, we'll also have a quick chat about your English and Maths qualifications. Don't worry if you have any questions, our teams are there to help.
After that, you'll visit the Learning Hub. Here you can find out about the wide range of support available, including wellbeing services, careers advice, inclusion mentors, learning support, and apprenticeship information.
Your final stop is the main hall. We'll complete your enrolment, check your details, and issue your college ID and lanyard. Here you'll be given important information about your first day, induction, and college life, so keep this safe. During your first day, you'll be able to access your timetable. Once that's done, you're officially enrolled and ready to begin your Brooklands journey. We can't wait to welcome you to Brooklands Technical College. Remember, our staff are here to support you every step of the way. See you soon!